Alright, we are back at Central LRT Station, and it's Thursday, April 27th, 2023, and if you look at that, this is the new Fujitec Escalator sitting on the ground, and that's going to be equipped over there where the old 1970s Montgomery Escalator used to be. You can see that this is the frame and then the steps, and you see in the elevator there they have started to build the new elevator car. They put in the new hoistway doors and starting to build the cab. And over there they said they're starting to build the new elevator cab there too. And look at that. There's the new hoistway doors put in on that elevator. It's pretty cool. And in terms of this, it's new. Still has yet to come the new for this end. As you can see, and again, that's the new Fujitec Escalator that is beginning to be installed. And it's just like the one at the other end of the platform. Let's go down that. See, there it is. The Fujitec Escalator. It's just like the one at the other end of the platform down there. You can see it getting all ready to be installed. And over here you see all that. And it's just boxes and junk. Yeah. And see for there, the new hoistway doors have been installed. And they are silver. You're going to still have the wrapping on, unlike the one at the phone course out here, they have been unwrapped. You can see the new Fujitec Escalator, the west end of the bottom, and this similar, and this new Fujitec, and this is the exact same escalator that's being put in at this end, just like at that end. You can see the frame is right there, and it's starting to be installed. And off at the top. Click the top view as we started. See there it is. Look at that. The new Fujitec Escalator ready to be installed. And the new elevator cabs are being built. For them all. Other than that, we'll be back again in another video on the process way on when it's close to being nearly done. Other than that, that will be it.